Ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board MSPCB kala hukum ya ka karkhana Dobilad ka Star Cement Limited ba kadai ban siu ya ka bailut kesan ka balong shilak arpo jar tingka namar ka jingpan ken ka badat mu ya kendon Section 21 jong ka Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1981 but Section 25 and 26 jong ka Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1974. Lakban kedo baka Star Cement kadai kawai na kikar khana penmi Dobilan kabadan hapo East Giant Hills District but kabadan ya kikar khana trekam jongka hakashnong lumshnong. Katkum ka hukum ya kani ka bailut kesan kabaya day bat kamaryang kadai bensiu hapo jongka khatsan sngi na du katarik bayok pediang ya kani ka jing betha kata ha ka rukom jongka demand draft lani ka bankers check sha member secretary ka MSPCB Shillong. Kani ka hukum ka maham ru banshim mi kisin jam jong ka an persya ya ka Star Cement Limited katkum ki kendon jong ka act but rule lada jia ba kimla ban pen urlong ya kani ka hukum la pen mi hadien ba ka board kala yo ya ka jingtip ba ka Star Cement kala pen ken ya ki kendon jong ka jing menjur ha ka jing turekam but hadien ka jing pen mi ya kal erja khlia na ki unit jong ka na du ka khan rio tarik unok pra arjar arpasaw. Kabot kala kami da kajing sengu kia na marlalap bagi kor bapit benya ya kajing penmi le jaklia online continuous emission monitoring systems jong karkhana la shem bakim shem na trekam ka MS Star Cement Limited kala thmu khnang ha kajing pen kenya ka Section 21 jong ka Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1981 but Section 25 and 26 jong ka Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1974 but yaki kendon terms and conditions of the consent to operate from the board ong ukarwo ka MSPCB.